Alright, back here on Mo's Vet. Got everything. You can see my zip ties for mock-up. Everything routed, made a new ground for the oil pressure sending unit. All of our 3 wires from our 2 temp senders and our oil pressure sender, they're routed in through the fiberglass here. They're ready to be hooked up under the dash. That's going to be solder and heat shrink, get that done. We have quite a few things we need to hook up and wire, so there's gonna be some time in this. Probably next week for sure. Obviously next week we have to work on this, but a lot of time. Plugging away. Stayed late. It's pretty much almost dark now. It's almost 7. Just want to get everything done, tidy and nice here. I did get a couple things measured for our fan controller, so I can solder that up, route it, and get it ready. And then once everything is tested and works, it'll get wrapped and finalized, and it will look incredible. So it's a bit busy, obviously. Scotty got the speaker wires done for the dash pad. Those are ready to go, so that'll be plug and play basically. We'll solder and hook up, but everything's coming along. Got all this to do in here. There's a lot of work, but continuing on.